What is up, everybody? Jason, aka Jester, and welcome back to the world of 7 Days to Die, and I'm super excited to be back. We stand today before this majestic 5x5 tower. Why, you might ask? Well, it's because it defeated Glock 9's 5x5 challenge. And this week, Glock issued a new challenge. This one is called the 2-hour challenge, in which we have to go defend and fortify a random POI with only 2 game hours to prepare. Let me show you the settings, and then we'll get into more. And just as a really quick rundown of our settings, we are on insane difficulty. We are running 90 minutes, which is what Glock ran in his challenge video. The basic stuff, it's just 1 day blood moon. And then under advanced, we are at 64 enemies. We do have cheat mode on. It will not be on during Horde night. That is just on so that we can teleport to the POI. We will make sure that's turned off. Let me get into the inventory and I'll show you the stuff that we're allowed to have. And now that we've got all of that clear as to what settings and difficulties we're running, let's get into our inventory. We are allowed 7 stacks of 7.62 ammo. That will coincide with our tactical assault rifle, which it is modded, but in fairness, it's only modded with a full automatic mod and a extender. So really, we only have limited ammo, so it really doesn't matter. The pump shotgun is not modded. You're allowed 7 stacks of that ammo. We're also allowed some resources. 3,000 iron, 250 steel. He only did 1,000 cobblestone, but he mentioned in his video that 2,000 would probably be the way to go. We're allowed 3,000 wood, 1,000 concrete, a few repair kits, a junkie with some ammo, some random health and bandages and water and food type things. We're allowed 2 slots for throwables. We're going to go with Molotov cocktails as well as pipe bombs, and those are only half stacks, by the way. And then we also get to have a melee weapon, a pickaxe, a steel axe, and a nail gun for upgrading. Win, lose, or draw, this ought to be a great time. Let's just get right into it here. And let's open the teleporter. And I'm just going to randomly select an area there. And there we go. We actually got a medium-sized POI, which I think is going to be fantastic for this. Let's actually set the time now to 2,000 hours. I don't think... Okay, that's going to be close enough. Even he had that same problem. Let's get working. Zombie spawns are turned on, so we have to deal with anything that's in the house as well. Alright, I think we found our first point of egress here. We're going to be taking out these stairs and fighting from up on high. We got zombies behind us. I don't want to waste too much damn automatic ammo. Ugh. Alright, we need to start upgrading like immediately. Ow! Damn you, Pete. Oh, they're everywhere up here, it looks like. Piss off. All right, we don't have much time. We literally have minutes to fortify here. Ooh, this is not as big a POI as I thought it was. That's okay. That gives us a little bit of help here. Then we want to extend our platform back here as much as possible. Ah, crap. Alright, we are out of steel. Where are they? Alright, we don't have as many points of egress as I'd hoped we did, but we might be okay. Alright, we very little time here. Very, very, very little time. Let's see if we can craft some shapes. And this will be our fallback point over here somewhere. We're going to have to fortify this a bit so that we don't fall down and through. But that should give us a little more longevity, I hope. Where does this go? We've got, okay, it doesn't really go much of anywhere. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna knock out, bring that back down. All right, that's gonna give us a second location that we can do something from. I don't actually see a way up. We may need to create a way up. All right, that'll be our last stand up there. We have just moments now to continue to try to fortify this area. We are out of cement. Okay, so we are going to keep a hold of the cobblestone and just reinforce whatever we can here. It is Horde night. Let's go. Whoa, somebody blew up. There goes the frame rate again. We ran into this problem yesterday. Oh no! Oh God, no! Alright, we got back up. Holy crap. They've already knocked out a block. All right, let's go, let's go. If we're lucky enough to make it to morning, I want to save as much of the range as I can. Let's get a little fire down there. I think they're all below us. I think we're good up here for the moment. Our biggest worry is they take the whole house down because they can't get to us. Damn, he got me. Okay, all right, he got me. Butthole. Oh, I'm on fire. Fuck. Well, we thought we had something for him. Long way to go. 90-minute days are rough. If we get them down in the pit like that and they don't take out the foundation, we might be okay. Ow, you asshole. A little fire going down there. We're doing well. We got big damage on these blocks. We're okay though. See if we can drag them back over here a little bit. Just thin them out. Keep firing, junkie. We still really have saved this ranged ammo, and I'm super happy about that. I'm telling you guys right now, the key to this is going to be getting lucky on your random POI. The smaller POIs are almost undoable. But if you get a bigger POI, it's going to come with challenges because you have to clear the zombies and stuff out. But just pick a spot and go with it. Give yourself points of egress like we've done here. And it seems to be working wonderfully. Let's go back the other side. And we just keep pathing them back and forth, and I think it's really working out. Oh, my frame rate's so bad right now, but we're doing fine. We've only got 2.5 hours to go, and I think we can do this. Oh, don't trigger that button, junkie. He did. Oh, crap. Actually, that works out. That doesn't hurt us that bad. That doesn't hurt us that bad. Unless they can jump up on that and get up here. But, whoa, where'd he come from? Our health is still good. We're full of water, full of food. Looking good, feeling good. Yeah, that one hurt a little bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Uh-oh, we got problems. We got big problems. Get some, junkie. 2 hours. We can do this. We've done just enough. This side's a little more fortified, and they're down below us a little further, so maybe we should be there. Alright, we're going to open up a little bit here. Just to let them know I got a little bit more for that ass. We should probably reload. Junkie shot 1,000 rounds. We will let Junkie just sit right there. He's got his place in history now. Less than an hour and a half. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. We're down. We should have picked the other side. We are down, and my frames are just shot. I have no idea where I'm going. That's the wrong way. Oh, this frame rate is terrible. And we're not going to make it. We're not going to make it, guys. It's over. Something's got to be done about the frames. I'm not upset that we lost. It's just I don't want to lose that way. Everything gets so framey. I've got the right freaking rig for the job, and it just didn't work out. And we're back at our bed near the towers. Well, guys, we gave it a hell of a run. I think we should have had it. If we'd gone to the other room, we might have been able to do it with the concrete, but that insane horde is just so much. We will be back for this challenge. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of content. If you do, think about giving the video a like and maybe a subscribe. And thank you again to Glock 9 for putting the challenge out there in the first place, because this is really good fun, and it's really nice to see an older game still getting coverage and still getting new stuff added to it. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.